Social Security disability has been getting a lot of press lately, and people are saying we have an awful lot of Social Security disability claims being brought. But why is that? Well, the population is aging. And as the population ages, people who are over 50, well, their bodies start to wear out. That's just the normal process of aging. And as bodies start to wear out, people become disabled. The majority of people who are found disabled are generally over 50 years of age. Okay, now what does this have to do with the price of tea in China? What it has to do with is the whole Social Security disability process. If you're applying for Social Security disability, or if someone's applying for disability, whether it's a friend, a family member, or anybody else, basically they just need to show that they can't do work in the national economy for 12 months. Either they haven't worked for 12 months or it's anticipated they won't work for 12 months. But in order to show disability, what has to be the nature of the disability? It can be anything under the sun. It can be blindness. It can be some kind of paralysis. It can be as a result of disease. Someone's undergoing chemotherapy because they've got cancer and they're disabled. Somebody may have suffered a severe injury. They might have suffered a fall from a high platform and racked up their back really badly, and as a result of that, they can't bend or do a number of other things. Somebody might have a disability that's made up of two factors. They might have a disease, let's say emphysema, and they might be a painter who all their lives have been painting and not always wearing the mask when they were spray painting. As a result of that, they inhaled various products from the paint and they became further disabled. So as a result of those two things, the disease and then the occupation they were involved in, the painter became disabled. So it doesn't make any difference what the cause of the disability is under Social Security law. It's only that the person must be disabled for 12 months or anticipated, in the opinion of a doctor, to be disabled for 12 months. And if that's the case, someone can apply for Social Security disability. Now, earlier I said many people over the age of 50 are awarded Social Security disability benefits because their body is wearing out. But let's look at our population here in the United States. Whoa, the number of people over 50 is increasing significantly. In 1900, 13% of the population was over 50. In the year 2002, 27% of the population was over 50. And it's anticipated in the year 2020, over 35% of the population, over 1 out of every 3 people, will be over 50 years of age. Well, does this come as a big surprise? No, it doesn't. People have been saying this for years, because when the baby boomers were born, and those are people after World War II through about 1964 were born, there was a blip in the population. A larger number of people at that point in time came into the population, and as that wave moves through the population, as it ages, it's having an impact upon a number of things, not the least of which is the Social Security disability system. So we're finding far more people applying for Social Security disability, and when you hear stories about the large number of people applying for disability and the large number of people being actually approved for disability, it's because there's a large number of people who are over 50 years of age. Okay, we bring you this week on our legal video blog so you have a little better understanding about what's going on with the Social Security Administration when you hear stories saying lots of people are being approved. Lots of people are being approved because we have an older population and there are lots of people who are disabled. Okay, we bring you the stories, we bring you cases every week and stories every week, so you understand how the law works. I'm David Allen.